Hey guys, what's going on? I got a 2-box break here for Bert. We got a box of Pete Rose Legacy 2011 Leaf, and also a box of 2011 Panini Limited Football. This is brand new, just came out. All right, here we go. Bert's box of Pete Rose Legacy first. All right. First card, Pete Rose, 8th inning grounder, base. Then we got a nice manager photo there, base. This one's from spring training, 1978. Here we go, headed for the bleachers, Pete Rose. This one's called Rained Out. And lastly, your hit is a Pete Rose career highlights. It says Silver Slugger. He signed it in red ink. This is a 7 out of 10. Really nice. Awesome hit. Silver Slugger. Beautiful looking auto on there in red ink. All right. That was Pete Rose Legacy, and here we go. This is the first Panini Limited break of the night. This one came out today. All right. Panini Limited Football 2011. Alright, very weird. Alright, one pack in here. Here we go. Alright. First card. Maurice Jones-Drew, base, number to 499. Then we got a Rod Woodson Legends card, number to 499. We got a Phil Taylor Phenoms rookie, number to 499. Next up, Matt Castle, number to 50. Matt Castle, looks like a spotlight, number to 50. Then we got here a Jamie Harper jersey, number to it says 23. Dual jersey, 44 of 49. Next hit is an autograph of Boomer Esiason. This one's numbered 39 of 40. Zero in on that. 39 of 40. Boomer Esiason sticker auto. Very nice. Next up, we got another auto. This one's Vincent Brown sticker. This one's number 39 of 50. He's a rookie for the Chargers. And lastly, we got a Peyton Hillis base card number to 499. All right, well, thanks a lot, Bert. I'll be sure to get the stuff out for you tomorrow. Take care.